Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Airbnb, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by researching the Airbnb platform and understanding how it operates. Familiarize yourself with the different types of properties available for short-term rentals. Consider your investment goals and budget. Determine the location where you want to invest, focusing on areas with high demand for short-term rentals. Analyze the local rental market to identify potential profitability. Check local regulations regarding short-term rentals to ensure compliance. Create a business plan outlining your investment strategy. Decide whether you want to buy a property or rent one to list on Airbnb. If purchasing, consult with a real estate agent who is experienced in investment properties. Evaluate potential properties based on factors like location, amenities, and market trends. If renting, reach out to landlords who may allow subletting for Airbnb purposes. Calculate the estimated costs, including mortgage, maintenance, and Airbnb fees. Set a competitive nightly rate by researching similar listings in your chosen area. Prepare your property for guests by ensuring it is clean, well-furnished, and stocked with essentials. Create an appealing Airbnb listing with high-quality photos and a compelling description. Highlight unique features and nearby attractions to attract potential guests. Publish your listing and actively monitor its performance. Respond promptly to guest inquiries and bookings to enhance customer service. Consider investing in additional marketing strategies to increase visibility. Stay updated on market trends and adjust your pricing and amenities as needed. Gather feedback from guests to improve your offerings over time. Finally, keep meticulous records of your expenses and earnings for tax purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.